Well, the Badshah of AI smartphones. Yes, Samsung S26 is out, and I have this S26 Ultra with me. Uh, it is in this cobalt blue color. मुझे पर्सनली ये ब्लू कलर के फोन्स अच्छे लगने लगे हैं, चाहे आईफोन में हो या इसमें हो. Very light to hold. If I compare it with maybe previous editions. Uh, Although if you look at the weight and size, उसमें उतना difference नहीं है. It comes with the rounded edges, which is a conscious call that Samsung has taken for making it easy to hold in hands. But otherwise, the phone looks really good, and of course, it comes with the signature stylus, which is, I think, very useful. Personally, I use it a lot to jot down my notes and things. Abhi probably I'm not very much used to voice notes. I still love to write, so मेरे लिए तो बड़ा handy होता है. Uh, of course, I think by now a lot of you would have seen one of the key features, which is the privacy mode. So, right now you'll see it's very visible, but the moment, I tilt it a bit, the privacy mode gets activated and, you know, uh, kind of the screen is not visible, which means when you are having your phone in your hand and you are, looking at something, the people around you will not be able to see what you are actually seeing. And this is customizable. So you can do it for specific apps, you can do it for notifications, messages. So, it's a good feature because देखिए ना प्रीमियम जितना यूजर होता जाता है तो it does matter. Privacy is a concern. It is a critical factor in deciding about a phone. So a good thought here by Samsung. बट जो मुझे ज्यादा अच्छी चीज लगी, ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ ग्रेट फीचर, एंड जो इसका एक और बहुत अच्छा फीचर है जो नज है, विच आई फील एंड आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, दैट the AI implementation so far, they look very kind of a side lane thing in smartphones. Now with this nudge feature, I think it is now becoming very, intuitive and becoming part of your common or, normal way of using a phone. So that is good to see here. बट जो मुझे एक अच्छी चीज लगी, दैट सैमसंग को फोमो नहीं हुआ है. आप देखिए, जब से एक्शन बटन आया या कैमरा बटन आया तो ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ब्रांड हैज रिपीटेड एंड डन द सेम थिंग विदाउट रियली थिंकिंग वेदर इट इज यूजफुल और नॉट. बस एक फोमो हो जाता है कि भाई एक ब्रांड ने, स्पेशली एप्पल ने कोई फीचर ला दिया तो हर किसी ब्रांड को लाना है. But I really like that Samsung kept its originality here, its distinctiveness here. They did not fall for this FOMO, and they don't have these buttons. And I really, like the phones without, too many buttons. It's fine. There is this volume rocker and power on off button. That's fine. And you don't have that action button. You don't have that camera button. Uh, well, I have been using phones which have both the buttons there. बट ऑनेस्टली मुझे उतना कोई सब्सटैंशियल उनका वैल्यू एडिशन नहीं दिखा एज अ यूजर. बट यस, देयर विल बी यूजर्स हु विल बी फाइंडिंग इट वेरी यूजफुल. बट द पॉइंट हियर इज दैट फॉर Samsung S26 Ultra and others also, you don't have those two additional buttons, which means that Samsung believes that, okay, we will only introduce the things which we feel are useful to our customers. So we will not go by the FOMO, and we will maintain our distinct identity. That is good. And that is what makes a brand, I would say, that is what reflects as the identity of a brand, or, that individuality of a brand. So that's something what I liked. I have been using it just for, maybe more than 10-12 hours as of today. There's a lot to explore, so I'll come about those things in due course of time. But this is what I have to share as of today. Really a very good phone by Samsung.